Okay, folks, I've been lent this little item by my employer to test out, get to know the product, so that I can help support it. We've got a few of them at work, and thought, why not do a little unboxing? Just an unboxing. I'll get into other details in later videos. So this is the Bluetti EB3A portable power station. And if you're ordering one online, you have to be careful because it does come in a few different variations. This one's the 120 volt AC North American version. Gray color, who cares what the color is? But it also comes in 100 volt. I think that's for Japan mainly. And the 200 to 240 volt, which is mostly for Europe. Just be aware, they do come in those different versions. Okay, first thing we notice, there's an accessories box at the top. That's the power cable. And a couple of different power cables, it looks like. Yeah, so they're standard North American AC power. There's just white plastic over the metal prongs there. It's the same style that you use for a PC, like a desktop PC. And then this is a DC input from solar panels power cord. Then under the first piece of foam we have an instruction manual, which I'm going to read later. And then the device itself. Okay, first thing you'll notice, let's turn that around. It has wireless charging, so you can set your cell phone down on the top of it and it'll charge your cell phone wirelessly. Up to 15 watts output. On the front, we've got our DC output for regular sort of automotive lighter socket type 12 volt outlet. And 12 volt DC pins as well. We've got two regular USB-A's at up to 3 amps. USB-C up to 100 watts. A lamp. Two 120 volt ACs. Maximum 600 watts. That would be between both outlets. And this is the input for the AC power cord, the computer style one. And this is the input for the solar panel style 12 volt to 28 volt DC input. And of course, we have a circuit breaker button. Just in case it trips the circuit breaker, you can re-enable it. Okay, so let's turn this on and see as it powers up. This shipped to me with 64% battery charge. If you press this button, you get a pretty bright flashlight. Hold it down, turns it off. This button would enable the 12 volt and the USB outputs. This one, of course, enables these two AC outlets. Well, that's it for an unboxing. If you want to see more about this device, tune into the next videos. I'll throw a few longer videos testing it out with various things later.